baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hey, let me tell you what. We're at Palmetto Island State Park in Abbeville, Louisiana, and we're here to visit the Latanier cookers. And I tell you, they've got wonderful, wonderful food going on down here. And we're gonna check out the pots and see exactly what's in them, Shaq. Hey, join us. Come on down. Let's go take a visit with these folks. Hey, man, what's going on, buddy? Tell me about yourself a little bit, Butch.
Just cooking a little spaghetti.
Oh, man, let me tell you.
We'll feed a few people.
All right, sounds good.
We'll end up with probably about 20 gallons.
20 gallons, sounds good, partner. Thanks,
Yeah,
man.
thank you. That's the only broad no got wrapped.
Ooh, baby, look at that. God dang, that's some real boudin time, yeah. This is Shannon Nibbles, smothered okra rice dressing, baby. God dang, let me tell you what, now that's gonna be awesome, awesome, awesome.
Everything in this pot is Louisiana, homegrown. The beef, the okra, and I have some Baker Farm aromatic rice is what I'm going to use today.
All right.
All Louisiana grown.
Sounds good, Chef. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Some cotton.
That wasn't heavy enough.
Okay, I think I got it. Let's see if we got enough salt. You want to taste, Chef? Mr. Leo?
Me, yeah.
Ooh, that looks good.
To me,
And we like everything out here. What y'all see?
It's just onions right now.
All right. Let me see what you got in the pot there. What you going to end up with?
Pork roast with
Pork
potatoes
roast.
and carrots.
All right. And right now you're smothering the onions
Yes,
down.
sir.
Hey, that sounds great. That sounds great. Hey,
Smells
thank
great.
y'all very much. Appreciate it. Ooh, Lord.
That'd be looking good.
Check this out. Man.
Got some color in there, huh?
Boy, I'm telling you, man.
That is beautiful.
But you know what? You got to, partner.
Beautiful.
That looks great.
Yeah.
Gee, thank you.
betcha.
Thank you so much, man.
Anytime.
Man, now that's what I call some white beans, bud. You ready? I got you. So what's going on, bud? How's it going today?
Good, good.
Good deal. Nice. Welcome to Palmetto Island State Park. Can I see what you got in your pot, man?
Sure.
You can tell me a little bit about it.
What we got is white bean and tasso
Okay, now you can...
with homegrown seasonings.
I edit this, so no problem.
You do?
And if you see the editing I do, man. Oh, yeah. Well, tell you what, this looks great, man. I appreciate it, and thank you so much for showing me that. And I can't wait to taste some of that when it's on the big table. Thank you.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah. Progress. And then the spaghetti's going in, baby. Look at that. Look at the spaghetti in there. Butch, what you got to say, Butch?
A lot of food.
A lot of food. All
Okay,
right. And where's
Okay,
the spaghetti master? Robbie, look up here, boy. You're the spaghetti master.
I know about that, the boudin master.
Oh, boudin master, too. I know you
Yeah.
got two titles.
I mean, there's an art to that boudin. Anybody cooking spaghetti.
Oh, man, Hey. Well, that looks good, brother. Hey, look here. We getting ready to stir some spaghetti in the pot, yeah? Watch this. Got my favorite photographer, Butch, over there, doing his thing. Okay, look at that. Look at that. This gonna be good, man. This gonna be good. Hot time. Put my little Touch of love. Touch of love.
Got all of our eats, meats, veggies, bread. It's all here, chef.
It's a pecan praline bread pudding.
Oh, darn.
All right, you man. Happy birthday, buddy. Hot dang. Oh yeah, baby. 23 years old. You the man, partner. There's Miss Colleen.
Hi, how are you?
Doing fine, chef. Pork roast.
He's got another one.
Cabbage casserole.
Cabbage casserole.
Oh, Lord, look at that. Man, that looks so good. It all looks delicious. Here's another pot.
Oh, there's another one coming.
Look at that peach cobbler. Huh? Is that a peach cobbler or is that a peach cobbler?
Oh my goodness, it looks good.
Oh, Lord.
Thank you.
Check it out. Cabbage casserole. Man, look at them white beans.
Some pretty white beans.
Beauty. Tell you what, folks, we do eat good out here now. That's that awesome okra rice dressing.
It's got meat in it.
Hot dang, look at here. Man.
Colleen, what do I need for this Camille?
Oh, Lord. Put the veggies in there.
Good morning, everyone.
That's Miss
Welcome to the
Norma.
February talk.
Ooh, we got a crowd today. Lots of food, lots of folks. Hey, who from Pecan Island?
Hey, Chef Bourque.
Hey, Chef. Oh, yeah, baby. God dang, let's hear it, man. Hey, look.
Hey,
All y'all gonna be on YouTube, so y'all better smile.
YouTube, that's why they're not there. Yeah,
Oh yeah, man, look, we the man.
you're the man. You got it going on.
What you say, bud? Wonderful crowd. Whole lot. Right here we got our assembly line. Got our fine assembly line working right here. Just like a piece of well-oiled machinery.
I don't know about all that.
Hang.
Hey, don't bother man while he's working.
Yeah, I can't. I'm concentrating.
I know I can't bother while he's handling a bowl of spaghetti. Hot dang, boy, I tell you what. Don't forget to subscribe and you got your thumbs up. Oh, yeah.